Hey, everyone! Welcome back to 3D Step, where we bring you the coolest and most creative DIY projects. Today, we've got something truly epic for you, a 3D printed folding sword. That's right, a sword that you can actually fold. So first, let's find a model on the internet. Models can be paid or free. There are links to several free models in the description. It is good when each part will be printed separately, because the slightest defect when printing several parts at the same time can lead to jamming when opening the blade, or the sword may not open at all. Personally, I had to disconnect the model in Sketchup, which also allowed me to print in different colors. The assembly process is not a problem, so I don't focus on it, but the result exceeds all expectations. As you can see, the design allows the blade to fold neatly into the handle, making it compact and easy to carry. Perfect for all you DIY enthusiasts and fans of medieval weaponry. We've got ourselves a fully functional, 3D printed sword. Just imagine the possibilities: cosplay, LARPing, or simply impressing your friends with your DIY skills. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell. As always, stay creative, stay safe, and happy crafting!